Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that surge token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Surge is a multi-chain AI-driven internet capital market (ICM) launched built across Binance Smart Chain, Base, and Solana. It bridges startups and investors through a transparent data-driven fundraising model powered by real-time AI analytics. Founders gain instant market validation and capital access, while investors access early stage, high potential projects without VC gatekeeping. By fusing AI, liquidity, and interoperability, Surge decentralizes startup investing, making global innovation faster, fair, and more accessible to everyone. Surge token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 490 million Surge token. Surge token is listed on xt.com, KCX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.